Hello everybody, this is Morgan, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to play the song Amazing Grace. As always, below in the description there is a link to the particular chord that I'm playing and also the song chart that includes the chords, lyrics, and the strumming pattern. And so one challenge to you guys before watching the rest of this video, pull up the chord chart and then see if you can just play through the song using only that chord chart. If you get stuck anywhere, by all means watch the rest of this video. But try to develop the skill of playing a song based on chord chart or some sheet music. So song, rhythm, it's in 3/4. So I'm gonna count it out loud. To 3/4 you count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then the rhythm I have is pretty simple. Counting it out loud, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then I'll just play that along to the first chords of the song. So that's how it sounds. You can play that all the way throughout. Throughout the rest of the tutorial, I'll kind of use that rhythm as my base and maybe improvise a little bit on some transitions. But that's something that you'll pick up as you gain more skill on the guitar. So for chords, it's in key of G. So it starts off with a G, and goes to a C, then back to the G, and then to a D, then a G, C, G, and the only occurrence of E minor, to a D, to a G. And so I'll just play through that one time. Starting off with the G, to C, to G, to a D, to a G, to a C, to a G, to an E minor, to the D, to the G. So that's how you play each verse of the song, and so I'll just play that along while singing. And as an asterisk, I'm an okay singer, but nothing great, so hopefully you can sing better than I do when you play this song. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I found, was blind, but now I see. Yeah, so that's it. You can play the other 3 verses much like that, just sing different lyrics. You can go straight from one verse to another. You can play a couple measures of G in between. I'll just play the end of the first verse and the beginning of the second verse with a couple bars of G's just to show you guys a basic transition. Was blind, but now I see. Was grace that taught my feet. So you can use that if you want to mix up a little bit. Maybe play, G, C, G, C a couple times. You can do that too, kind of whatever you choose. But I hope that helped. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. And check back some other time, or check out my other videos if you learn some more songs. Thanks. Bye.